Today we're going to introduce this new app, Techhus. New user registration or login. Verify identity with facial recognition or fingerprint recognition to ensure account security. Once you're logged in, the app will ask you about your preferences, including interface theme, language choice, notification preferences, and more. In addition, you can choose the technology area of interest so that the app can push customized content to you. Intelligent assistant interaction. Customized according to your interests. Techhus will aggregate the latest global technology news, research reports, innovative product releases, and other information in real time, so that you can grasp the pulse of technology anytime and anywhere. Use augmented and virtual reality technologies to provide immersive technology experiences, such as virtual visits to future cities and simulated spacewalks. Connect smart devices at home and achieve one-click control through Techhus to create personalized smart home scenes. Download it from the App Store now.